Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim. Viewers, today we are in front of one wholesale garment market. As you know that full world is doing the business with China, and this is the main hub of the Hangzhou, from where people buy the ready-made clothes, especially for the male, female clothes, kids clothes, and this is the wholesale market. So today we will explore wholesale market. So let's explore. Viewers, we have arrived inside the garment wholesale market. Actually, this is not the factory. This is the showroom area. All the big brands of China, they have their showroom at this area. And if someone wants to buy the garments from them, the ready-made garments, they will come here and they can choose the design by themselves. They can see the fabric type, and even they can have the costumes and the dresses by their own choice. They just tell to the shopkeeper, and shopkeeper will make for them, and also tell the quantity to them, and with that quantity they will pack and cargo to their required address. So this area, if you come to the Hangzhou, then must visit this area. You can see even on the one piece price, they are giving with very cheap price. We will show you as we will visit here. So let's go. Viewers, as you can see, here is the full building map. This is not only one building here. Here are the 4 buildings, very big buildings. It has the 4 floors, and in every floor there are so many. I just see at the first floor there are the 57 shops. At the second floor they goes towards the about 80 shops. So many 4 floors are here, and in other plaza also so many floors. So many brands. Some international brands are also, but mostly are the Chinese brands here, and you can visit here. Viewers, here you can see this is the shirts, and these are with the 100 RMB 3 shirts, and the fabric is really very good fabric, and these are the male t-shirts and 100 by 3. These are the 50 RMB by 1. Here are some shirts, they are 100 by 2, many colors, many designs, and these are the Chinese brands, and the fabric is really good for the summer. If you want to wear these kind of t-shirts, and these t-shirts are really very good t-shirts. And these are some like the cotton fabric, and some normal half sleeve shirts, means a formal shirt look. And these shirts are also 100 by 2, means 100 RMB 2 shirts, and this price is not even the wholesale price. In the wholesale market, this is for the normal person price, already so cheap. And if you order them the 100 pieces, 200 pieces or 500 pieces, as you increase your pieces, the number of pieces, they will decrease the price, and it will be very cheap. And whatever you want, you can come here, you can choose the design. And here you can see this shirt, this fabric is the winter fabric, a little thick fabric, and this is the 75 RMB 1 shirt. And here you can see this is also thick fabric, the winter fabric, 65 RMB 1 shirt, and this is for the normal customer price, not the wholesale price. If you want the wholesale price, I already told you, they will decrease as you increase your quantity and your number. This is the polo collection, and you can see this fabric is very famous, and in all the big brands its price is too high, but here it is 100 by 2, means with 100 RMB you can have the 2 shirts, and they have the many beautiful designs, many beautiful colors. So this polo fabric is really the good fabric, and you can see here is the purple color, this one is the gray color, and many colors are here. And this price, I am already telling you, means this price is for the normal person, not the wholesale price, and still very cheap because we are in the wholesale market. So very beautiful shirts. Wow, this is the winter coats, the jackets, coats, and the upper, and its price is only 135 RMB, and these are really very durable, and I am also using this kind of coat. So these coats are really very durable. You can buy this with very cheap price, 135. Even in the winter season, when they give the winter collection, you know, these you can buy by the 100 RMB sometimes, even less than this one also. So if you want the reasonable price clothes, then must visit this wholesale market. Viewers, here you can see I am towards the jeans corner, and these jeans are 50 RMB for the one jeans. So this is really very cheap price, and these jeans are very good jeans. You can see the fabric is the skin fit jeans, and very many colors of these jeans: blue, black, brown, many gray color. These are the jeans, and here are some trousers, and these trousers are with 100 RMB 3 trousers. Wow, these are the short trousers, and these I think very very model pant. This look like the one star often in the singer like. Wow. Now I become a singer. So this is really beautiful. Yeah. This is so beautiful. And this is the army. If you want to be in the army, then wear this jeans. Jeans pant with the army. So beautiful. So it's nice, really very reasonable prices, and very good jeans here. I can take you towards another corner. Here are a little bit high brand. Here you can see these are the printed jeans, many kinds of the street boy style. So this is the street style, and this is the 99 RMB, and even they have the white jeans, and I am thinking about the white jeans to buy for me. Because in my collection I think I don't have the white jeans. Let's see if it is the plain, then I will buy. And this is the skin fit jeans, and oh wow, street boy style, very beautiful. Viewers, here you can see these are the trousers, and these trousers price means 2 pieces with 100 RMB. So one piece if someone buy, then they will give the 60 RMB. These are the very good cotton fabric trousers, and these are the black trousers. Similarly here I can see, yeah, this one is the gray color trousers, and here are some knickers. These are also, this is the 15 RMB one knicker, and for the summer this is really the good blessing. Very colorful knickers, cotton fabric, and very colorful knickers. I am thinking to buy for the sleeping clothes. So this is really, in this wholesale market you can find. Even you see very cool color, blue blue color, cool color. So these are the knickers, and here are many other colors. This is a little bit silky. If you like the silky, then you can buy this one, only 15 RMB. And here are some polo style shirts, and some other shirts, and shirts prices we already told you, almost same, a few RMB more and a few RMB less, like this. Viewer, here are some winter upper. These are the coat and vest, so with the thick fabric, and they also have very reasonable price. Some have the 268 RMB price, some has 150 RMB price. You see this one is with 150, very beautiful coat. So this is here. Even this one, a little showbiz style, this is the 128 RMB, and the blue one 128 RMB. Here are some shirts, and this is also again that polo. I think this time polo style is 2 in, so this is 65 RMB. And these shirts, the normal casual shirts, 100 by 3. So this is the very cheap area. So this is also the t-shirts with 100 by 3, and this full collection is 100 by 3. Now we are at the female section, and here are some skirts, and these skirt price is the 100 by 3. With 100 RMB you can buy the 3 skirts. Various designs, various fabrics. This is the cotton fabric skirt, this is the black, and these are some other skirts, the silky fabric, many designs. And these are the free size skirts. Even the healthy people or the slim people, they can wear this skirt, because this is the free size skirt. So various designs are available here. Now we are here. These are the female full clothes, and you see these. This is one kind of frock like cloth, full suit. So these all are with very reasonable prices. Here you can see many colors. This is the blue color. I don't know, this is the suit or this is the sleeping suit. This is something. mix. I don't know. So because I have not so much good idea about the female clothes. This is also one with the floral patterns, small flowers, and this is a little bit, I think, party suit. The small frock, small skirt like suit. This is also the white one, this one, and here you can see this is the yellow with various kind of laces and the beads, heart beads, and here this is with the double collar with the knot like the air hostess. So this one, as well as you can see here are so many colors in these clothes, and these all are with a very reasonable price. Viewers, these are the female t-shirts and their price I want to tell you, you will get shocked. 100 by 4. So this one you want to you want this one, or you can see this one, and there are the, even boys can wear if you want, you can. So these are the sports and the shirts you can see here. These shirts on the 100 by 4. So many kinds of t-shirts are available here. So you see Mickey Mouse Club, black shirt, and here is the, what is this, blue green shirt with beautiful patterns and the cartoons. So this is really very amazing area. Viewers, now we are at another corner, and this is the female winter coats, long coats and some other short coats, and their price is 299 RMB. And these are the woolly coats, means they have with the wool fabric, double layered, some are the single layered, and with many colors, many designs. These coats are here, and even some are like you see this look like the sheep. So very thick fabric, and these coats, this is the white coat, and also some with the silky with the filling of polyester. So these all coats price is 299 RMB. Yes, now we are in the formal clothing shop, and you can see they have so many kinds of clothes, and this is like the prince coat, means so many beads and the full collar like this, and also they have the waistcoat for the 3-piece. Yeah, this is the waistcoat, and as well as if we move towards this side, they have the full suitings with the various size, various colors. This is the formal clothing, and this is also the wholesale shop, and you can order to them many pieces, many things. And this is the white shirt with the coat like this. I think under it will looks beautiful. What do you say? We will see here. Yeah, here are so many, means if whatever is your size, you can find the size from these coats. You can see here many kind of fabric, even they have the ties, various colors of the tie, and means this is full formal clothing you can have from here, and their price is very reasonable. Whatever you want, this is like the, for example, the white shirt and the black waistcoat. Viewers, I already told that this is also the wholesale market, and if you see, they have a lot of coats and the pants, whatever you like, you just give them the order, and they will give you the various sizes and various styles according to your quantity, and even they will cargo to your address wherever you want. So this is a very good shop in the wholesale market about the formal clothing. Viewers, now you can see here they have this package, and this package they are already wanted to send to some countries. Some person has already ordered so many pieces, means I have asked from them, if you want to order them 100 200 pieces and various designs, then they will send these things according to your choice and your size to your home station, even to the foreign trade, means to the other countries. I have asked them about this thing with details. Yes, here you can see these are the some kids clothes with very reasonable price, princess kids clothes. This is like the Chinese style, 60 RMB only. This is 130 RMB 2 clothes, and these are like the frocks and something of the kids. So many colors with the small net, and also with the embroidery. Many good clothes are here, and with very cheap price for the kids also. Tayyab style. Dress pant. Viewers, this is 69 RMB shirt, and this is a 79. The knickers. 50 RMB green. Very street boy style. 68 RMB jeans pant. $50 RMB the dress pant, and very good looking pants. Skin fit pants. This is only the 50 RMB. This pant is also very good fabric, and this is the like the suiting pant, so the fabric like a suit, very beautiful fabric, the black fabric. 100 This one. 这个多少钱？50块钱一件。50块。中国英语说的这么好啊！谢谢。是很难，说的很标准。This one. 这件也好看。See, blue. Street style. Boss, it's fire. Viewers, this is the closing time of the wholesale market, because this market closed at 5 o'clock. So if you want to buy something or you want to visit the market, then come early in the morning, so that before 5 you can have a visit of this full market. As well as I want to tell you, means here they just show some display of their products outside with the cheap price, but actually this is the wholesale market. As you give them the order according to your requirements, they will prepare one big package for you, and wherever you want that package, they will send it to your destination. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. Tab tak ke liye, Allah Hafiz.